arrived at Port Smith Caravan Park. It's not far from Barn Hill, but we thought it would be worth a look. It's got a nice big lagoon and lots of points of interest on Wikicamp, so we'll go and have a look. This is the caravan park. It's $52 whether you're powered or unpowered, but if you only have one person it's $26. The tide's coming in. I had a safety briefing at the reception area. They said if the tide's coming in you can't outrun it, but we're looking at a high tide at about 2:30. It's about, what time, 1:30 now? Anyway, this is the lagoon.
You have my heart, we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazine, but you still be my star, baby. Cause in the dark, you can't see shiny cars. That's when you need me there. With you I'll always share. It's when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll be your friend. Took an oath and I'm sticking out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella.
I asked about crocs, and because it's sand based and a lagoon, the crocs don't actually live here. They prefer a muddy area. They say that you can't say there's no crocs because they could swim in, but then usually they swim out again. They don't like to live here. But I'm getting eaten by midgies, so I'm going to head home. We're on a track that'll take us to Saddle Cliffs. It's going to be about 7k from the campground. We've got snubfin dolphins and whale watching. Hopefully we'll get lucky.
It's the holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. I want to set the pace, I want to second straight.
pretty impressive. Yesterday when we came down at high tide, we couldn't even get to the point where I am standing right now. But at low tide, wow, just open space of sand and the lagoons all the way out. You could walk all the way to the beach. It'd be a bit of a concern though if the tide came in, you'd have to start running. The lady at the kiosk yesterday said you can't outrun these tides. I'd like to try.